Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my go-to makeup look, and it's like a very subtle, neutral type of look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get right into it. I already moisturized my face and my lips, and then I went in with the Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. It gives you like a really glowy finish. And for all the products I'm using, I'm just going to list it down in the description box. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm gonna do like 2 pumps. I'm gonna blend that out. And this is a very light foundation, light to medium coverage, you know, like a subtle look, which is what I'm going for. For my concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I am in the color Light Neutral. Okay. Just gonna cover up any imperfections. And then I like to put a little bit here because us Indian girls have sometimes have a 5 o'clock shadow even though there's nothing there. And just take your time and blend it out. And I like to bring a little bit of the concealer towards my eyelids as a base. I don't have a lot of patience for blending, but that's very important, so just be patient. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I feel like it was not enough coverage. This definitely is a more natural or neutral, I would say, look that I like to do because it should definitely be like a beauty enhancer. And I don't like to go too crazy with my makeup, you know, unless it's like a big occasion or something like a wedding or a big event. Now I'm just gonna set my makeup with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Medium Plus. And I'm just gonna set my foundation, and then I'll set my concealer afterwards. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup, this is usually exactly what I do. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Bronzed Bondi. And these makeup brushes, I literally just got these brushes off of Amazon. My cousin has the same ones and she recommended them to me. They're super inexpensive and really good quality, and yeah, I just like them. So you don't have to have super expensive products, like really expensive makeup brushes, like 100, I've seen like 100, 150, 200, even $300 brushes. And I just feel like that's just so unnecessary. I really feel like they all just do the same job. I don't want to go too heavy on the bronzer, so I just like to blend it out a little bit. Okay, for me that's good. My blush, and I'm gonna use my Tarte blush in the shade Paaarty. I don't really use a variety of different types of blushes and bronzers and this and that. I'll just keep a couple of them on hand, and once, you know, I get tired of it or once I run out of it, then I'll go and buy another one, you know, instead of having so many different bronzers and blushes and everything open at the same time. So that is my blush. Then I like to go and set my concealer because we're gonna bake. Go. These small beauty blenders definitely come in handy for when you're doing underneath your eyes, so I would highly recommend these as well. And then I think this is the most important part, is right over here. Okay. And right on the other side. I didn't used to ever bake before, underneath my contour and everything, but I learned that it does make a big difference to kind of give you that like jawline and structured cheekbones and everything, so I definitely would not skip that. Okay, so while that sets, let's work on the eyes. So I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette with these neutral colors right here as like a base. Then I'm gonna go in with like a little bit darker of a color, and I usually go in with this one right here, and then go right into the crease. And then, like I said, blending is key. So here's where it gets a little bit complicated, maybe. Okay, so I don't like to put on liquid liner if I'm doing a very casual, subtle type of look, because I feel like it's too harsh. So I like to go in with like a dark brown eyeshadow, or maybe even a black if you want. We could even do a black. And I just take it as like an angled brush, an angled eyeliner brush, this is called. I'm gonna start over here towards the middle and drag it out like that. Okay. So like right there. This brush just makes it so much easier, oh my god. See? You could see the outline, and now I'm just filling it in. And this is not gonna be as harsh as liquid liner, so that's what I love about it. Okay, so we just did both of the eyes. I'm just gonna wipe off the setting powder. Okay, so you can see it's a lot cleaner of a contour. I actually like to set my makeup now before I do my lips or my highlight and mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick. I'm also gonna just set my brows. I don't really touch my brows in the sense of like filling them in and stuff, because I feel like I already have thicker brows, or they just don't need to be filled in my opinion. So I don't really touch them, but I do set them so that they stay in place. And yeah. So then I'm going to do my mascara, and this is just a random mascara that I have from a Chanel makeup kit, so it doesn't really have a name. And then I just do like really lightly on the bottom. Okay, and then I will go in with my highlight. I'm using a Chanel Lion de Chanel. I'm probably pronouncing that so wrong. This is also subtle. My eyes are done, my face is done. I think everything is done except for lips. So this is the last thing that we have to do. This is the best lip liner and lipstick combination. A lip liner from Sephora in the color 16 Nude Beige. So when I made this video last time, I was talking about how I don't like getting my makeup done. So every single time I've gotten my makeup done, I just come home and I feel like I have to pat my face down and take off the extra foundation and whatever, like the powders and stuff. So I learned to just only get my eyes done, and then I'll come home and I'll do my face makeup myself, and it just works out so much better that way. And this is like really nude, but the lipstick will balance it out. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my NARS lipstick in the shade Barbara and just go right over it. Okay guys, so that is basically it. It was super easy to do this look. You know, it doesn't take long at all. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in my next